Hi, welcome to DevCentral. I'm Jason Rom. Let's spend a few minutes learning how to edit a wiki page. Alright, from the home page you want to go over to the wiki. And in the wiki, the best place to get familiar with editing a wiki page would be in the play page. And if you go to the 1 minute wiki and then click on the play page, this is where you can add things, delete things. It's really not going to matter. And the control panel over here is where you're going to make your changes. So on the play page, we can click edit here. I can pull out all this text and I can go ahead and click save. And if you've made some kind of mistake editing the wiki page and you're freaking out because you've removed data that you think is valuable, you don't have to worry about that. You can list all versions. You can come back here to the previous version. You can see that all that text is there. Then come over here and click restore version. And so now we're back to where it was when we got here. You can also, let's go ahead and remove this again. You can look at the changes between this version and the previous version. So if I highlight changes here, you can see that everything is struck out that I pulled out. And let's go ahead and look at some of the things that we can edit in a wiki page. And you can do headers, so with a bang. So H1, H2, H3. You don't have to use the H. You can. This is my header. Click save, and you can see the headers are well, actually yeah. So we can see if we pull that back a little bit, it should be the same size as header 3 there, which it is. And then some of the other things that we can do is we can bold text. If you just want to put regular text, just start typing. And so you can see the bold and the regular. You can do code blocks, so if you're going to submit some iRule examples, that is a curly bracket and @sign, and that offsets from the regular text. You can put in some, this is code, so you can see that when it go back in there. Another thing you can do is put a note. So that's kind of eye-catching. So if you have a CR for a particular iRule command or any other thing, you can actually call that out so that grabs people's eyes as they're coming in and out of these wiki pages. We also have the ability to do tables. So you can do cell 1, row 1, cell 2, row 2, and then same thing, cell 1, row 2, cell 2, row 2, and click save. And you can see the tables built there. And finally, one of the things you can do here is links. So if you just type a link in there, that'll show up as a link in the wiki page. But if you want to have different text than the link itself, surround your text in quotes, and then colon, and then the link. You can see that. And then, yeah, there you go. So one of the other things you can do when you're editing a wiki page is just go into another page. And I like to use the HTTP cookie page, because this one's filled with all kinds of different text editing capabilities. And so you can just go into edit and look at how things are formatted, and that'll help you as you're editing your own page. So hopefully this has been helpful. Get out there, edit away, and contribute to the community. Thanks a lot.